Your car's engine produces intense heat, and without proper cooling it would quickly destroy itself. The cooling system's job is to absorb and carry away this heat using a special fluid called coolant or antifreeze. Coolant isn't just colored water. It's a blend of water, glycols like ethylene or propylene glycol, and additives. It prevents overheating in summer, freezing in winter, and lubricates moving parts like the water pump. Corrosion inhibitors in coolant protect metal surfaces from rust and internal damage. Most coolant is sold as either a concentrate or a pre-mixed 50/50th solution with distilled water. Never use undiluted concentrate. Always mix it with distilled water for best performance. The pre-mixed version is ready to use and ensures the right balance for your engine. Using the correct coolant mix is essential for your engine's health and longevity. Can you use plain water instead of coolant? Only in a true emergency, and just to get you to safety. Water can absorb heat, but it boils at a lower temperature and offers no protection against corrosion or mineral buildup. Using water alone risks overheating, rust, and scale that can clog your radiator and damage your engine. Tap water is especially harmful due to minerals. If you must use water, choose distilled. Replace water with the correct coolant mix as soon as possible. Water is a last resort, not a long-term solution. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine's hottest areas, absorbing heat. Hot coolant flows to the radiator where air cools it before it returns to the engine. The thermostat regulates flow, keeping the engine at the right temperature. The coolant reservoir manages expansion and contraction, preventing air pockets. Topping off with distilled water in an emergency is okay, but always restore the proper mix soon after. Air pockets or the wrong fluid can cause overheating and damage. The system relies on the right coolant to function efficiently. Proper maintenance keeps everything running cool and smooth. There are plenty of myths about cooling systems. Not all radiators fit all cars. Each is designed for specific engines and cooling needs. Brake fluid and coolant are separate, never mix them. Coolant color isn't a reliable guide, always check your owner's manual for the right type. Mixing incompatible coolants can cause sludge and blockages. The reservoir level matters, keep it between the marks to avoid air in the system or overflow. Don't trust myths, follow manufacturer recommendations for coolant and maintenance. The right coolant and proper care prevent costly mistakes. Preventative maintenance is key. Carry a bottle of the correct pre-mixed coolant in your trunk. Check coolant levels and hoses monthly when the engine is cool. Look for leaks and address them early to avoid breakdowns. Follow your vehicle's schedule for coolant flushes to keep the system clean and effective. Water is only for emergencies. Always switch back to the proper coolant mix ASAP. Treat your cooling system with care to protect your engine and your investment. Use only the recommended coolant for long-term reliability.